Kailan ka pwedeng mag-file ng cyber libel? Is it 1 year after you discover, 2 years, 3 years, yung iba 10 years, yung iba 15 years ang sinasabi. And ang ating Korte Suprema nag-rule with finality na ang cyber libel crime prescribes 1 year from the time it is discovered. No? Sabi niya dito, ang cyber libel crime ay isang form of libel under Article 355 of the Revised Penal Code, and of course it is committed by computer system or other similar means like cell phones. And ito ay kaso ng isang congressman na nag-file ng libel complaint dahil sa isang Facebook post. Sinabi nung nag-post na si congressman ay binulsa niya ang 200 million pesos worth of relief goods for Marawi victims. No? Yung mga post 2019 pa, nag-file siya almost 12 years later. Dito, dinefine ng ating Korte Suprema, kailan ba kadapat mag-file? So sabi nila, since it's another form of libel, dapat ang prescriptive period yan na provided for by the Revised Penal Code is 1 year. So yung 1 year period, nung nakita niya yung post, nung 2019, within 1 year from that time or until 2020, dapat nag-file na siya ng cyber libel. Siguro masyadong busy si congressman nung natapos niya yung term niya, and naalala niya, ininsulto pala ako ng taong ito sa Facebook. And that was 12 years after, lalo siyang nasira dahil na-reject yung kanyang pag-file ng cyber libel against the person who posted na corrupt yung congressman.